Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use one-handed mode on your OnePlus 15R smartphone. First, you have to open Settings on your device, then scroll down to Accessibility and Convenience menu. Here, scroll down to one-handed mode and enable this feature by switching this toggle to the right. Now, to start using one-handed mode, you just have to slightly slide your finger at the bottom edge, near the bottom edge of your smartphone, and this way you'll easily access all the elements at the top of your screen. Tap right here to return to the normal view, and that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.